Listen to the comments made by this Ika person under the comment section of my post. He said that is our point, that we don't have problem joining Southeast, but this idea of group us as subgroup of Igbo is what our people decline. He came here, he said that we tried correcting you guys so you don't fall into this mistake, which is the fact of differentiating joining Southeast and being Igbo. You guys maintain that Anioma is Igbo, as such should join Southeast. We don't even have problem joining Southeast, but the issue is trying to change a people's ethnicity and to become absorbed by a larger group. Now they have refused to join in Southeast, which could have been the easiest thing to achieve, because they now believe that will the original aim of trying to absorb their ethnicity. Ika people, you people are Igbo people. No one is telling you to join the Southeast so that you will stop identifying as Ika. Whether you say you are Okwane person, or you are a Ika person, or you are Oshimili person, or you are a Nyocha person, or you are an Igbo person. That name Ika is the name that your Igbo speaking region is being identified with. Your region is called Ika. Your dialect is called Ika. Because that is the identity of that region. We Okwane people, our region is called Okwane. Our dialect is called Okwane. Oshimili people, their region is called Oshimili. Their dialect is called Oshimili. If they speak, we will tell them Inaso Oshimili. Anyocha people are being called Anyocha. When they speak, we say Inaso Anyocha. So, the name of your region is the name of your dialect. Now, you Eka people speak Bia language. We Okwane people speak Bia language. Oshimi and Anyocha people speak Bia language. The Southeast speak Bia language. Now, everyone that speaks Bia language are called Ndi Igbo. And that was why during the Biafra War, every Igbo region were killed in that war. Kaduna Zogo, who led the 1966 coup, was from Anioma. He's from Okpanam. Okpanam is a boundary community with Asaba. As Kaduna Zogo do that coup, Northerners started killing our Southeast brothers that are living in the north. Northerners did not say, na Anioma people do am. Make we start to dey choose Anioma people where they start to dey kill. No. They started killing everyone that is Igbo in the north. Some other coup plotters that joined Kaduna Zogo in that coup are from the Southeast. Not as not to say, make we go Southeast, kill the family of those coup plotters. No. As they kill for Anioma, they kill for Southeast. And that's because we all are Ndi Igbo. We are Igbo people. You Ika person, if you like, tell the world that you are not an Igbo person, that you are just Ika. The world will be like, when you are done talking, shut up your mouth. You are saying nonsense. They know you are Igbo. When Emefiele, the ex-CBN governor, who is from Ika land, he was accused of stealing huge amount of money. What did the Yoruba people started saying? They started saying that Igbo man don't thief Nigeria money. What the Northerners started saying? They started saying that Igbo man don't thief Nigeria money. They did not say Ika man don't thief Nigeria money. They said Igbo man don't thief Nigeria money. If Ika people started saying, Emefiele sounds like Igbo man, he's an Ika man, this, that, they will just tell you, all of you are Igbo. Stop deceiving yourselves. Ifan Yokowa was accused of stealing money. The entire country started saying, Igbo man, now so that they do. Igbo man, they too like money. They don't steal Nigeria money again. Now so Igbo people they do. Now why we not make them rule Nigeria? This, that. Igbo people are thieves. Okowa is from Ekao, not be from Southeast, but the entire country are saying that he's an Igbo man, that he's Igbo. What is his name? Ifeanyi Okowa. Which people are bearing Okowa in this country is Igbo people. Ika dialect is 100% Igbo language. Ukwani dialect is 100% Igbo language. No difference. Ika dialect and Igbo language are not similar. Both of them are Igbo language. Anything that is similar is not the same. Anything where they similar not be the same thing. I've been seeing some Ukwani people saying, Ukwani language and Igbo language are similar, but they are not the same. Ika language and Igbo language are similar, but they are not the same. If we are similar, why are we understanding each other? What is similar between Ukwani language and Igbo language? In Ukwani we say, come as bia. The same thing in other Igbo dialects in the southeast. In Ukwani we call the supreme being Chuku. In the southeast they call it Chuku. Name it plenty the same thing. And person will tell you say Ukwani and Igbo language is similar. So, Ika people, those of you that are saying that you are not Igbo, that you don't want to join the southeast, that Igbo people want to change your identity from Ika to Igbo, you people should go home and reason. Ask yourself critical questions. Igbo from the southeast, they have never for once invaded Anyoma land. How come you Ika people, your language is the same with those in the southeast? If they talk, when they hear, if they talk, they hear. If Ukwani people they talk, they hear. If they talk, we they hear. Everyone that speaks the same language are one people. Stop allowing divide and rule to make you to be hating your brothers. The best family of Ika people, our brothers in the southeast. Nobody loves Ukwani people for this country past our Igbo brothers for southeast. We want to actualize Anyoma state and zone it to the southeast. Some of our Ukwani and the Ika brothers are saying, we don't want to join the southeast, they want to change our identity, they want to change our dialect. Nsoka people, they are in the southeast, their dialect is still strong. They are still speaking with their dialects. Afikpo people, the same thing. Easy and Iza people, the same thing. Ngwa people, the same thing. Olo people, the same thing. Oweri people, the same thing. Uri people, the same thing. Aguleri people, the same thing. Igbo people, the same thing. Go to the southeast. Every region are speaking their dialects. So, what is making you people to feel that if Ukwani people join southeast, say Ukwani dialect go into extinction? What is making you people to feel that if Ika people join southeast, that Ika dialect will go into extinction? These are the lies that they are telling you people, turning you people against your Igbo identity. Anything where Ukwani and Ika person do for this country, the word will say that na Igbo man do this thing. Waiting me the Ukwani person will commit something. Emeke, Chukwu nalo, Olise. So now all these names now you talk say not be Igbo names, say na Ukwani names. Ukwani name na Igbo name. Ukwani person na Igbo person. You Ika people, you want to be a minority. Forgetting that minority for this country they suffer because your voice is very low. Nothing on go shout, make on a voice pass as on a TD. Same with Ukwani people. Only Anyoma people stay alone for this country. Our voice not go anywhere because we are a minority. How many we dey? If Anyoma stay there for South, who go dey hear our voice? If we dey for South, we will still be marginalized. That is why we want to join our Southeast brothers. For us to be like them. For us to grow. Make Anyoma land grow. Make Anyoma land develop. We need industries. We need factories. We need firms in this Anyoma land. Make work there for our people for this Anyoma land. All those politicians that are making some Ika and Ukwani people to be saying that they want Anyoma state to be in the South. Those politicians, they have their family members and their children representing in state offices. Some of them don't put their family members to they represent for House of Assembly for this Delta states. They don't say if we get a Anyoma state now, say those their children will come out. And if their children come out, they will come to election. People will enter that place. If you say people will enter that place again, not go be that their children and their relative. Say another people go come win, enter. Those politicians are eating from the monthly allocation that is being sent to Delta North every month. If they allocate money give Delta North, those people they get share inside millions wey they collect. In order for all these politicians to be enjoying what they are getting from politics, they go start to dey inflict the mind of Okwa and Adika people, telling them let's remain in the south, let's not join the southeast. Carry one fear wey not exist, put for una body. Tell you people that you people are Ika people, that you people are not Igbo people. Tell you people that you people are Okwa and that you are not Igbo. Before you go dey follow politician, they play politics, ask yourself, what will your people benefit from this thing? That benefit, will it grow Ika land? Will it grow Okwane land? Or is just growing the pocket of this politician? These are the questions that you are supposed to be asking yourself. As we follow Senator Nwoko, they champion this Anyoma state. We know say if we get this Anyoma state, Okwane people will get senator wey go represent Okwane people. We go get representative. We Okwane people we go fit be governor. We go get university for Okwane, we go get polytechnic, we go get work, we go get light, we go get road. Now all these things be the benefits wey make me the support Senator Nwoko to actualize this Anyoma state to zone and go southeast. Make good things where the southeast come Okwane land. That is how you are supposed to be reasoning. Stop saying that you are not an Igbo person. Every Bia speaking community in Nigeria is an Igbo community. They are Igbo people. Ika language is Igbo language. Ika language is Igbo dialects. Ika people wake up. Okwane people wake up. Oshimiri and Ajoncha people wake up. The indigenous Igbos in River State, Ikwere, Obaekpe and others wake up. We can only succeed in this country if we Bia speaking people come together as a single force. Igbo Bofu, Ishiagware.